How to talk to my AI on Snapchat. Welcome back everyone to this video of how to guide. If you just found out about the my AI on Snapchat, in this video let me show you how you can chat or talk with this chatbot of Snapchat. You can find the chatbot on the chat section and it would be pinned on the top. To start chatting with it, you can just tap on the chat and you can now ask it just about anything, whether it be about any topic. So you can type in any question and hit send and you will get an answer straight away. You can also send it stickers and it will reply you with stickers as well. So that is the way that you can talk to my AI on Snapchat. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's got to be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.